want to say goodbye to our couch. Bye-bye. We're downsizing. Somebody will get it today. They're gonna pick up. Here. Bye-bye, couch. Bye-bye, recliner. Yeah, they're gonna pick up in a few minutes. They're coming. Okay, bye. See you. My son is ready to move out. He packed his things. I'm gonna get a new hole. Too many. That one we need that. We need that. This one will stay. This one will stay. We have 2 months to go. Look at that. Look at that. Hi, Mama. How are you?
How are you?
How are you? Kumusta?
Kamusta?
Tu.
Bien.
Okay. This one is going to my relatives in Bulacan. It's everywhere. I don't know where it's gonna go, but it's everywhere in Philippines. Yeah. So it goes somebody who cooked. Yeah, this dress, that one, that one, that one, that one. Everything, a lot of things. This one, technical. And then my sister gonna like this Sephora. Hi, hello guys. We're going to Home Depot. We're gonna get a blinds. We're gonna get a piece of wood, and that's what we need. We have a list over here that we need to finish and fix it in the house. We're moving in a few weeks, so hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to click the notification bell. We are here at Home Depot. We're gonna get some blinds. We have a lot of things to fix inside the house before we move out. Now, we need to see this size. Mama, para aquí, ni agarra lang. Necesitas aquí. This is the size. And then, okay. Here we go. everyone. I'm going to fix this, changing the screen and put it back. Clean and yeah, trim everything. Look, it's so nice. Even here and all the way Good job, Haiba. Jose. Good job. That is nice. Our clean filter. Every time you change the water, you change the clean filter. Our filter is the water. Hydraulic filter. We're gonna put it here. Hi Rainbow, good morning. Show me what you do today. Show me what is the magic that you can help us. Any household need. You are the best friend. Every household. Clean that ceiling fan. Yeah. I'm trying to wipe it, but it doesn't come off because it's like greasy stick on the fan. Look, doesn't come off. I'm trying to wipe it, but just they come off a little bit. Now I'm going to use Rainbow, my best friend. We will see what is the help of this Rainbow. Rainbow, how's your job done? Look at that. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Ooh. Ew. Mira. That's the work of Rainbow. Cleaning by itself is cleaning the machine inside. This wonderful, beautiful machine. No matter what clean is your house, you have the dust mites and the dust and everything. Every corner of your house, there is a dust mites. You don't know, you don't see it. This is the only solution that will help you. This is the only thing that will clean. This is the filter, and they give you an negative ion air. There is a ion, the air coming in here. Look. There is the air coming outside from that machine. Our lungs need to have a good clean air. Later, the result of my cleaning the ceiling fan and the ceiling. Okay, thank you. Look at this. Is what I get from the ceiling. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You don't have any resistance to the virus because it's clogged, it's foggy, it's dirty, your lungs. That's why we need this. Look how it is. Oh my goodness. Look at. Okay, I'm gonna change my filter, my water. Look. Oh goodness. Woo! Ew! Look at that. Oh goodness, this is disgusting. Oh goodness, oh my. You see that? You see that dirt? You inhale it every single. You see that? But this one is the clean. Look. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Look. That's not clean. And this is clean. Look. Woohoo! Very good, Rainbow. You did a good job, Rainbow. You'll see the result. We're cleaning up our backyard before we leave this house. He did the other day the front yard. Now he's doing the backyard. This is the front yard that he cleaned the other day. It's nice and clean. Yeah.